Can okra lower blood sugar and cholesterol? Welcome to our video on Can okra lower blood sugar and cholesterol? Okra, also known as lady's finger, is a popular vegetable in many cuisines around the world. It's not only a versatile ingredient in the kitchen, but also packed with essential nutrients. Today, we'll explore the potential health benefits of okra, particularly its impact on blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Let's dive in. 1. Nutritional profile of okra. Okra is a low-calorie vegetable rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. It contains vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and magnesium. The high fiber content in okra plays a crucial role in its health benefits, particularly for blood sugar and cholesterol management. 2. Okra and blood sugar control. Research suggests that okra may help regulate blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes, or those at risk of developing the condition. Here's how okra can contribute to blood sugar control. Dietary fiber. The high fiber content in okra slows down the digestion process and the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Mucilage content. Okra contains mucilage, a thick, gel-like substance that can bind to cholesterol and toxins, aiding in their elimination from the body. Mucilage can also slow down the absorption of sugar, further stabilizing blood sugar levels. Antidiabetic properties. Some studies have shown that compounds in okra, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, may have antidiabetic properties. These compounds can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce oxidative stress, which is beneficial for managing diabetes. 3. Okra and cholesterol levels. Okra may also play a role in lowering cholesterol levels, which is crucial for heart health. Here's how. Soluble fiber. The soluble fiber in okra can help reduce cholesterol levels by binding to bile acids in the intestines and facilitating their excretion. This process forces the liver to use cholesterol to produce more bile acids, thereby lowering the overall cholesterol levels in the body. Antioxidant properties. Okra is rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and vitamin C, which can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. This is beneficial for maintaining healthy blood vessels and preventing the buildup of plaque, a risk factor for heart disease. Studies and research. Some animal studies have shown that okra extract can reduce total cholesterol and triglyceride levels while increasing high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol, which is known as the good cholesterol. 4. How to incorporate okra into your diet. Including okra in your diet is easy and can be done in various ways. Here are some suggestions. Stir fries. Add sliced okra to your vegetable stir fries for a nutritious and flavorful boost. Soups and stews. Okra can be added to soups and stews, where it acts as a natural thickening agent due to its mucilage content. Grilled or roasted. Try grilling or roasting okra with a drizzle of olive oil and your favorite spices for a healthy side dish. Pickled okra. Pickled okra is a tangy and delicious way to enjoy this vegetable while also benefiting from its nutritional properties. Smoothies. Adding a small amount of raw okra to your smoothies can provide an extra fiber boost without altering the taste significantly. 5. Potential side effects and considerations. While okra has numerous health benefits, it's important to consider potential side effects and interactions. Digestive issues. Consuming large amounts of okra may cause digestive issues such as gas, bloating, or diarrhea due to its high fiber content. Kidney stones. Okra is high in oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. If you have a history of kidney stones, consult your healthcare provider before increasing your okra intake. Interactions with medications. If you are taking medications for diabetes or cholesterol, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before adding large amounts of okra to your diet, as it may interact with your medications. 6. Conclusion. Okra is a nutrient-rich vegetable with potential benefits for blood sugar and cholesterol management. Its high fiber content, mucilage, and antioxidant properties make it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. However, it's essential to consume okra in moderation and be aware of potential side effects and interactions with medications. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. Let us know in the comments how you like to include okra in your meals and if you've experienced any benefits from eating this versatile vegetable. Stay healthy and enjoy the benefits of incorporating okra into your diet.